Hello and good afternoon. This afternoon, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can use your GitHub account to run some of the Python files that you have uploaded. Now, it's very important that you have access first your FSU Learn, especially our class in Computer Fundamentals and Programming. And of course, you have the option to click on the link for the Linux to go to another tab like this one, or you would like to stay here in the FSU Learn environment. So first, you need to analyze what are the files, or identify what are the files that you have here in your virtual Linux environment. So you have a Python file, a C file, a JavaScript file, text file, and a binary file. So first things first is you need to delete all those files so that it's easy for you to see the files that you have uploaded, so like prog1 and prog2. So to delete all of the files here, you need to type rm space asterisk point asterisk, and when you look at, there's no more files here. Same with the JS Linux here. If you look at your files, you try to list the files, you type rm space asterisk point asterisk, and there are no more files. Now the reason is that you can easily see your files that are uploaded. Okay, so let's go now to your GitHub account. Now my sample learner GitHub account is this one. And of course, as I told you, you have to create already a folder, like for example here, Python. Now in this Python folder, if you click on the code link here, then download to zip file. Okay, you will be downloading a zip file that you can extract. Let's put this in desktop, and then of course in Windows environment this would be different. So just to trash these two uh, folders in the zip file, I'm now concentrating on my prog1 and prog2, which if I go back to my JS Linux, you notice there's an icon below here. You can actually upload your program files. So just click the upload icon, and then I hope it's already uploaded. So if you try to type ls, you'll find your files are there, and there it is. Just to check what is inside your prog1.py, and of course you can run your prog1.py. Hope it runs. There's no problem. It takes long because it goes to the server. It's supposed to return a value of 2. So yeah, good. So there's now the value of 2. And let's try to check your prog2.py. This is the Pythagorean equation. So if you run python prog2.py, there you have it. So I hope you'll find this video useful on how you will use GitHub. So to have your GitHub, first register, sign up, and of course, for example, you have now your GitHub here. You can add repositories or folders, no? So just click new, and maybe you could have there Python 2, for example. And you can also make this as private so that you can only see this, or public. Then create repository. Okay, so there's no file yet, but you can actually upload your file. So upload existing file. So let's try to upload prog1 and prog2 here. You can use to click choose your files, and let's go to desktop, prog1 and prog2 here. And files are now uploaded. So there you have it. So if you're going to submit in the future, you can just copy paste the link so that I can see the files that you have already uploaded, or you can share your files. Okay, so this is our nuts for this time. I hope you learned something. Keep safe.